Welcome to Today with Sabrina. I'm here at the Best Western in Leon, and right next to the Casa del Cafe. And I come here a lot to do my internet stuff. And look, the rain just poured down all of a sudden, and these poor people, it's like flooded this whole area. But we're heading into rainy season. It's really not bad. I was just talking to my new friend from Oklahoma. Say hi. He's a missionary. What missionary do you work for?
Church of Christ.
Okay, church. That's awesome. And anyway, so can you watch my yeah. Anyway, and oh my God, it's just pouring down rain here. But I hope that it doesn't get any worse. Look at it, this rain. Wow. Anyway, there's the cathedral right there. Anyway, welcome to this Japanese tourist. Hello. Arigato.
Taiwan.
Oh, Taiwan, sorry. Yeah, are you on a barco?